Hello friends. So today we have come with some another topic in Python as a palindrome. It is most common term. As we know, palindrome number, that is 121, 101. Okay. So these all are the palindrome, or even string also, that is Bob, C. Okay. These all are the string number. These all are we term as a palindrome. Okay. So let's see. Here the definition I have written. A palindrome is a word or phrase that is same when we have read both forward and backward side. Okay. So here are the some example, that is Bob. If you see on the either side, that is forward or backward, that is both the strings are common from either sides. Okay. Another example is also there. C from left hand side, SEES, and that again same string should be read by the right hand side. That same string is repeated, so that type of string we call it as a palindrome. Okay, so let's see what is the problem statement. So we have to write a program based on input provided by the user. So we have to detect whether that integer or string is entered by user is palindrome or not. Okay, so this is code. Okay, let's see. Okay, by using input function we are accepting input from the user which is of integer type, and suppose if the input space is there, so by using replace method, so basically replace is a method of string which is used to replace any element, any symbol in the given string. So we will use here replace. So why we are using here replace? We are replacing the empty string with the without space. Okay, so that's why we are using replace method on the user input. Once we get the user input without space, so we will reverse it by using slicing method. We are applying slicing on normal str, that is a variable without space. So basically we are applying reverse slicing. All the start index and end index should be empty. We are keeping the jump index as -1. So reason behind to keep this -1 is it is help to print the string in reverse order, that is right to left. Okay, so that is we call it as a negative indexing also. So basically by using negative indexing, element get reversed and it will stored into the another variable as a reverse string. So here we are comparing by using equality operator. If both the strings are equal, that is normal string and reverse string, then we will print user input is palindrome. Otherwise control will shift to the else part. We will print as that given string is not a palindrome. Okay, let's see. Suppose I have provided Bob. Yeah, it is palindrome. Suppose I have provided river. That is not palindrome. Suppose I have provided 121. Again it is palindrome. See, this is 121. As we know, this is a number, but by using input function, 121 is interpreted as a string type, because input function by default accepts string type of value. Okay, so we have achieved whatever our output is there, whatever program has in problem statement they had given. So these all are the related to palindrome. But suppose if you have any doubt, so do comment on us, like, subscribe and share the Python Academy channel. Thank you.